Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can bypass the code 600 from your Roblox app. So if you have experienced this problem, it basically means that you have been banned from using Roblox. So the first step you need to do in order for you to bypass this is to make sure that you use a VPN. You can use the Node VPN, and this basically works for free for 3 months. What a VPN does is masks your IP address. So you can try and use a VPN first in order for you to bypass this code, or you can use the Surfshark app VPN. It basically serves the same purpose as the Node VPN. Other thing you can try to do is to create a new account. So you can try and create a new Roblox account, and this will technically take your problem away. And now for the final step is you can appeal to the helpline or customer care of the Roblox site or app, and this will significantly increase your chances of being unbanned. And now for the last step is you need to clear the cache on your device. Make sure that you clear the cache on your device in order for you to be unbanned potentially on your app. So these are basically the methods in which you can use in order for you to increase your chances of being unbanned. So I'll see you in the next video.